You can lose up to 3 pounds in 1 week following Banting meal plan. The Banting diet is a great way to reduce your weight. It allows you to lose 3 pounds of excess weight per week without harming your health. This diet was created by British businessman William Banting in the late 19th century. When he was about 60 years old, he started putting on weight. Treatment in salt baths, air procedures, and following various diets did not bring him a positive result. So he made his own diet plan and lost 60 pounds with it. This diet is similar to the paleo diet, except that dairy products are allowed. The goal of the diet is to accelerate fat burning to get energy. You will see a healthy diet menu for 7 days, which includes 4 meals. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Day 1. Breakfast, 1 boiled egg, 1 slice of ham, and half an avocado. Lunch, salad of broccoli, cauliflower, and tomatoes. Snack, tuna salad and green vegetables. Dinner, baked chicken breast with asparagus and lemon. Day 2. Breakfast, Greek yogurt, granola with hazelnuts. Lunch, whole wheat sandwich with beans, ham and boiled egg. Snack, a slice of low-fat cheese, carrots. Dinner, salmon baked with lemon and broccoli. Day 3. Breakfast, 2 boiled eggs, 1 apple. Lunch, mushroom soup. Snack, walnuts and blueberries. Dinner, a turkey steak, vegetable salad. Day 4. Breakfast, an omelet of tomatoes and greens. Lunch, 2 boiled eggs, baked mushrooms. Snack, a cup of strawberries. Dinner, a chicken steak with basil and garlic. Day 5. Breakfast, toast with cheese and tomato. Lunch, seafood soup. Snack, 1 boiled egg. Dinner, a Caesar salad with low-calorie dressing. Day 6. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with broccoli and mushrooms. Lunch, broccoli soup. Snack, a handful of almonds. Dinner, salad with tuna, eggs, and greens. Day 7. Breakfast, 1 slice of bacon, beans, and greens. Lunch, whole wheat sandwich with chicken tomato and lettuce salad. Snack, spinach smoothie. Dinner, a baked salmon with lemon. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.